Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new packed and ready to glow beauty box from Next Beauty. Ready, get set, glow! Our packed and ready to glow beauty box contains all you need to get that gorgeous sun-kissed look. The beauty box is retailed for £22 and worth over £90. Now let's discover the beauty treats. First product that we find is a foot mask, Thirsty Feet, from the brand Nails Inc. Deep Moisture Foot Mask for dry and tired skin. The perfect remedy for tired souls, this ultra hydrating foot mask is powered by a blend of green tea, ginkgo leaf extract, sweet almond and peppermint for instant rejuvenating results. Product number 2 is from the brand Ameliorate, Transforming Body Lotion Intensive Smoothing Hydrator. This clever body lotion combines chemical and physical exfoliants to work above and below the skin surface, smoothing away dry skin and improving the look and feel of keratosis pilaris. Keratosis pilaris is a skin condition that I know very well. You know that small bumps that may appear on your arms and not only on your arms. This cream will help you with that. Product number 3 is from the brand Gatineau Golden Glow Gradual Tan. Give your skin a boost of summer radiance each and every day with this glow-giving body lotion. The lightweight formula melts into the skin and gives a natural sun-kissed, buildable tan. The next product from the beauty box is from a brand that I like a lot, Erborian Skin Hero Bare Skin Perfector. Blur, brighten and boost your complexion with this non-tinted skin perfector. It primes skin, giving a filter-like finish, no makeup needed. Well, as much as I like the brand Erborian, I dislike this product. It doesn't do anything to the skin, is non-tinted, so it doesn't have any coverage. It's a product that I don't understand what for is made and what this product does to the skin. Well, this is my personal opinion. For me, this product doesn't do anything. Product number 5 from the beauty box is by the brand Sienna Self Tan Concentrated Serum Drops. Customize your glow and build up your tan naturally with these concentrated tanning drops. Simply mix with your moisturizer for a buildable tan. Product number 6 is a face powder from Pixi by Petra, Pixi Glow You Powder. The shade is called Peach Dew. Enhance your favorite features and set your glam in place with this brightening face powder that adds luminosity to your finished makeup look. With its soft glow and sheer peachy color, use it to add radiance to the whole face or use it as a highlighter on cheekbones and down the center of the nose. I am not sure that the shade will look fine on my skin. It's a bit dark for what I like to use. Product number 7 is from the brand Aiko London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in Black. Is a liquid eyeliner with a marker tip applicator, which I don't like a lot. I prefer eyeliners with a brush tip applicators. I find them much easier to use. Product number 8 is from the brand Elemis Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow. Boost your glow every day with the exfoliating properties of AHA fruit vinegars and probiotics. This brightening toner gently removes dead skin cells, revealing the more radiant looking skin beneath. The next product from the beauty box is from Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in the shade Rose Gold. This easy to use super versatile cream eyeshadow stick gives effortless application, intense buildable color and up to 12-hour long-lasting wear. The rose gold shade is flattering, brightening and allowing your eyes to pop. I have this eyeshadow stick in exactly the same shade. And guys, I love it. The shade is gorgeous, it looks stunning on the eyelids, is applying easy, it blends easy and resists perfect throughout the day. Gorgeous product, like it a lot. The last product from the beauty box, product number 10, is from Benefit, Bad Gal Bang Volumizing Mascara, formulated with provitamin B5 and ultra lightweight particles. This best-selling mascara enriches your lashes with mega volume and sky-high lift that looks fluttery and full for up to 36 hours. Okay, beautiful people, here are all 10 products from the packed and ready to glow beauty box, and to be honest, I am impressed. I like the variety of products, I like the brands that we find, and of course the size of the products are great too. What do you think? And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!